fix the basement. And this is adopted from computer technologies. It is, you could imagine it as a line of transistors. So certain fractions of DNA that work as a transistor, and they react on outer frequencies, which gives you the possibility to utilize something that works in a similar way to a telephone call. Each transistor is opening when it hears a certain frequency. So you can start to dial in. First number is a frequency that is opening the first transistor. Second number is a frequency that is opening the second transistor. And only if all the numbers are in the right order and heard in a certain line of tones in the range of gigahertz, then the entire sequence is opening up. And what you get is a signal to the neighboring DNA that is activated then. So you have a system where you can dial into the genetics and make it either create light that you want to have created, or you make it create a substance. And this could be a heavy poisoning agent, for example. I don't know what, some cell poisons that kill you within minutes, that create cancer, that kill you within seconds. Everything is thinkable and possible once you have this dialing in thing established. And the way you put it into the human body is combining it with the lipopeptides. It is something, I think they adopted it from the principles of nature, how viruses infect cells. It is an agent that is opening the membrane of the cell and pulling the artificial RNA or DNA inside the cell to have it inserted into the chains of the natural DNA. As it looks like, the diseases we are suffering now, and this is basically, if you look at the last state, it is autism. As it looks like, the entire geoengineering topic is heading to the point where the human soul is driven out of the human body, giving space for demons or an outer species to take over our biology completely. So this is kind of the full picture that is about, let's say, planned from the other side. And what we have been trying to do is find on the medical side solutions that help to heal all the diseases connected to it and help to close the human body, because it reappears wherever you go. If you deal with the Morgellons disease, the best thing, the easiest way to get rid of these demons, of these crawling creatures, is to open your heart chakra and flood the body with a green light. This is something that we learned how to, even during treating the people, we were using this technique to just get rid of them. Also with the third way of, or the third attempt to get access to our DNA light communication, what we found out that the only way to keep out these external fields of the system, which act on a binary way of communication, is to open your heart chakra, that is trinary in communication, and to fill your entire body with a green light, and then you have a system that is able to deflect and to protect the body from outside influence. So it is funnily, it is always the love that is the solution to all these problems.